In front of me is Samsung Galaxy XCover 7, and today I would like to show you how you can locate all typing options. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down. When you're ready, tap on General Management. Then select Samsung Keyboard Settings. And as you can see, some smart typing options are over here. To manage them, click on the switcher next to the chosen one, or tap on the chosen one and tap on the switcher here. When you've finished adjusting all of those options, scroll down and tap on More Typing Options. Then manage all of those the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!